Hello, grade 12s. As you know, we don't have time. Time is scarce, and in the next few weeks, you will be writing trial examinations. Then, after the trial exams, there is the final exam. Today, we will be doing an exam hunt. Exam hunting is when we train ourselves to answer exam questions. We are going to do this using example pairs with a question and its answer. This will help us improve how we answer exam questions and ensure we answer all required questions correctly, using the right keywords to maximize marks. Please focus, repeat after me, and engage with the content. Okay, let's roll on. Agricultural Sciences P2, Section A, Question 1.1.1. Various options are provided as possible answers to the following questions. Choose the answer and write only the letter A to D next to the question number. 1.1.1. One of the statements below indicates the price inelasticity of demand. A. Consumers will buy chicken if the price of mutton increases. B. Consumers will continue buying maize if the price of maize increases. C. Consumers will buy another type of pasta if the price of spaghetti increases. D. Consumers will buy a cheaper chocolate bar if the price of a white chocolate bar increases. The correct answer is B. Consumers will continue buying maize even as its price increases. 1.1.2. The following information applies only to internet marketing where transactions are done online. A. The farmer employs an agent to perform marketing tasks. B. The farmer sells produce at the marketplace. C. Consumers may not want to use their credit cards. D. Large retailers aim at gaining publicity by supporting emerging producers. The correct answer is C. Consumers may not want to use their credit cards. 1.1.3. Agricultural cooperatives have the following advantages for small-scale farmers. I. Producers have a better chance of negotiating a good price. 2. Easy access to funding. 3. Prices of products fluctuate and producers are affected. 4. Producers preserve their markets. Choose the correct combination. A. I, 2, and 3. B. I, 2, and 4. C. I, 3, and 4. D. 2, 3, and 4. The correct answer is A. I. Producers have a better chance of negotiating a good price. 2. Easy access to funding. And 3. Prices of products fluctuate and producers are affected. 1.1.4. The straight line Y represents the part of a product. A. Market equilibrium. B. Shortage. C. Demand. D. Supply. The correct answer is C. Demand. 1.1.5. One of the following is not associated with labor legislation. A. Labor Relations Act. B. Basic Conditions of Unemployment Act. C. Occupational Health and Safety Act. D. Skills Development Act. The correct answer is B. Basic Conditions of Unemployment Act. 1.1.6. This does not apply to capital as a production factor. A. Most capital goods have a limited lifespan. B. Capital goods are expensive and difficult to obtain. C. Vukuzenzele Trust offers a grant to small-scale farmers. D. Some capital goods cannot be manufactured in the country. The correct answer is C. Vukuzenzele Trust offers a grant to small-scale farmers. 1.1.7. Examples of risk-sharing strategies. I. Insuring against risks. 2. Diversification. 3. Specialization. 4. Future contracts. Choose the correct combination. A. I, 2, and 4. B. I, 2, and 3. C. I, 3, and 4. D. I, 3, and 4. The correct answer is A. I. Insuring against risks. 2. Diversification, and 4. Future contracts. 1.1.8. One of the following is not an economic characteristic of land. A. Limitedness. B. Varies in production potential. C. Value appreciates over time. D. Source of minerals and raw materials. The correct answer is D. Source of minerals and raw materials. 1.1.9. Cattle have 30 pairs of chromosomes in the nucleus. The number of chromosomes in the female gametes will be A. 15. B. 45. C. 60. D. 30. The correct answer is D. 30. 1.110. A heterozygous Brahman bull is mated with a heterozygous cow. What will the expected genotypic ratio in the F1 generation be? A. 1 to 3 to 1. B. 3 to 1. C. 1 to 2 to 1. D. 1 to 1. The correct answer is C. 1 to 2 to 1. 1.2. Choose a term from column B that matches a description in column A. Write only the letter A, J next to the question number. 1.2.1 to 1.2.5 in the answer book. For example, 1.2.6, K. Okay, our options are electroporation, mitosis, labor, supply, meiosis, gene gun, deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, management, motivation, demand. Yes, but remember we write only the letter. Sweet stuff, eh? Let's roll on. 1.2.1. Total amount of commodity that a producer wishes to sell. The correct answer is letter D, supply. 1.2.2. Physical and mental effort by people. The correct answer is letter C, labor. 1.2.3. Cell division by which gametes are formed. The correct answer is letter E, meiosis. 1.2.4. An electric current passed through incubated recipient plant cells with desired genes. The correct answer is letter A, electroporation. 1.2.5. Found in the cells of the nucleus and provides genetic instructions for the functioning of cells. The correct answer is G, deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. 1.3. Give one term for each of the following descriptions. Write only the term next to the question number, 1.3.1 to 1.3.5, in the answer book. 1.3.1. A written document that outlines future actions on income and expenditure based on projections and historical data. The correct term is budget. 1.3.2. The price of a product at a level where the quantity demanded is equal to the quantity supplied to the market. The correct term is the equilibrium price. 1.3.3. Money or equipment accumulated through saving and employed in the production process. The correct term is capital. 1.3.4. The use of statistics and biology to analyze genetic data of an individual to estimate true genetics and breeding value. The correct term is biometrics. 1.3.5. When the action of one gene is modified or controlled by another gene. The correct term is epistasis. 1.4. Change the underlined words in each of the following statements to make them true. Write only the answer next to the question number, 1.4.1 to 1.4.5, in the answer book. 1.4.1. The demand chain describes the flow of products from the production point to the consumption point. The correct term is marketing. 1.4.2. Financial risk includes production losses, labor-related and technological risks. The correct term is technical. 1.4.3. Gross domestic product is the total gross margin minus the general farm expenses. The correct term is net farm income. 1.4.4. Specialized tasks on the farm are done by formal labor. The correct term is skilled. 1.4.5. The chromosomes refer to the sum of the gene effects of a breeding animal, as measured by the performance of its progeny. The correct term is breeding value. We are done with section A. Well done.